One of the oldest villages of Maring community in the state is Machi village, situated at around 20 kilometers from Lamkai in Technopal district. Machi village was notably the most memorable place for Japanese soldiers during the Second World War. On visiting the village by a TomTV team, DM Marungna told our reporters about his keen interest in music while he was studying at Hairok, and after coming back home, he learned that these indigenous music instruments of Khring and Toudri were dying. As such, DM Marungna started teaching the Maring youth of his village on how to play these instruments with a vision to preserve these priceless music instruments.
Magi murti, magi saktam sigi artsu laijai. Ozaduna takpirakpada aina hangjahupada ko. Masimi amagi saktam ni hai. Sumai yengbada sina migi akhoi kogyet nupa da organa kogyet nupi da organa akhoi koi sambundong na mathak thangba mamangai da haurakpa adugi matamdagi ni hai. Adu masina magi mami mamai aduna sina mangak sina magi mathabak mamangi sharuk suma che ni ngada pura mitam ni masi sumaina kummaga sidigi aina paina naba sum aina hojik modern gida sum semje wani hana mamangai gidi asengbudu asini si makha gina khongi sharuk hai sumaina lep da chep ni ngana sumaina ui hai sidi ma khong sharuk hai ada masida khongi sharuk or sum makha da magi ahakpa ahum ma su lairi masina karigino aina mu hangmaga na ahakpa si leisabi singna nupi singna moi phi sabada awaba matamda hek khonge adigi kokki hagatchaba kayguma tawbada asigi sina hakpa sina sum khotna na ba haina si hakpani hai si ma wai kupna ngawi moi sina nakong thela ga phi sabigi sumain thela ga moi thammi hai awaba hek potha ka da ngasai phi sabi nga pothar ga hek khonge khongbagi matam wakjing phairen adigi lamda tha phau sigi manungda pakhang leisabi singna khongnai se masigi makhon tabada pukning na nungsiba phauba aduga pakhang leisabi nungsibagi wari nisingakpa kawngamdaba siguma phauhannaba music jantra amani so hai moina adigi masi si kyam sandokna haiba matamda akhoi maringi yumban kaiban bada sigi parman lauduna isai phauba lei hai Toutri hai go asengbadi hojing na khone lonsamda Toudri haina sakhibigi wani masi khomgi matamsi mera tha ada yangai poinu wakching phauba khongi hai adigi matamda sajibu thagi charuk hokakpa aina koi phau khawra matungda charuk hok phuktokpa kakpa aina khangnei hobadigi mera tha phaugi manungda suram normam khiba adiga wa khiba wari watai sil oina pakhang leisa oina wari lithoknaga harau minok nokpa adiga wa khiba mayam wana somuk ningsingba asigumbagi phongdokba music ni hai.
It is worth mentioning that DM Marungna is also quite good at other instruments like guitar, harmonica, penna and so on. In fact, he knows contemporary music very well. It is said that Khring was mainly played for relaxation by Maring youngsters after a long and tiring weaving session in certain months of the year. Interestingly, a Maring guy used to give it as a present to his lover. On the other hand, Toudri was more commonly used in Manipuri lunar calendar month of Mera, Hiangai, Poinu and Wakching during leisure hours.
Akhoi ijati saktak puse akhoi gi tradition gi china pot asina anamana takpa oirameba khoina tv da kari da yengubada urubada ko masida pelaktra aise aisu khutsa tekpadi natidana aisu imit leidana uidana aisu wakhal leidana in khalaga aina masi nungaijaduna aisu khombat padare sengbat patare masi thigalak padare ne haujar khibani migi lamna tradition gi posakta identity da aduk matik chawkhatpa matam sida uhalakpa matam sida akoina kai dauduna leiri masi nukhoi chu changkhon biu masida honna biu ijati manghanbiganu ijati magun chawkhathanbiu masi kanna tambiu adagi mangki bo saksing du puthoaga chawkhathanbiu aduga sakhanghanbiu adagi masi sinarakpa yaba hojiki matamdana karida sinaba yari adagi hojiki isaidana karida hapa yari haidu thigatlaga chungsinna halaga modern gi music ka hojiki music ka si chanaba yam lairi aina paujel du yam pibani adu mokhoi su tauge tamge haina hojik pudi mayam mado mokhoi aning mudo phongdorakpa mayam yauri hojik paubusi.
DM Marungna said that the art and culture represents the identity of a particular community and urged every Naga youth to have knowledge about these ancient musical instruments, since many outsiders are trying hard to spread and showcase their cultures and tradition in the state currently. He added, whatever culture and traditions our ancestors passed on to us should be preserved and make it more effective in showcasing the old values to the world.
Maring phurupki oina layoi kharaba ipa ipusinga thambiramba esheigi jantra singda khwaidagi maru oina akhoina ngasigi mirolna thibada phanglaktaraba Toudri amadi Khring hariba jantra makhal asi ngasidi thiba phangjilaktaba amadi mutkhiba yabagi kanna mi painaba mikup amani Machi Khul village 2 da leiba oja DM Marungna ngasidi masagi oijaba kaya thadoktunna nat ki jantra sing asi amadi lakadawa tunglam chatki oina kalhodaba yade haiduna kanna ngak selli maring phurupki inkhalaiba nahasingna hiramasi matangda kupna thijel hoduna tunglam chatki oina kalhoba amadi khangjel hoba haibasi yamna tangai fadaba pungpham adu thillabani haina akhoigi oja asina phongdorakli camera person Govind galonena pawdam jariba video journalist Bisorjit Machi Khul Technopal.